Is this chicken rice? Can I have a bowl of chicken rice? Wow, the two of us are having dinner. Ouch, that's great. Ha ha ha, it smells so good. $65, okay. The lady boss moves like water. I say your movements are flowing. Been doing it for over 10 years. Not without this technology. Oops, great. Soul juice. Okay, thanks. Come and get it myself. Thank you, lady boss. Oh my god. Look at this chicken skin. It's so perfect. Oops, this feels great. Look at this chicken skin. Special oily. Looks slippery. This empty mouth is crispy. Wow, still hot. It smells so good. It's really authentic. This chicken roamer. Really chicken flavor, especially chicken skin, is amazing. It smells great when you blurt it out. It's seasoned with a touch of saltiness. Really delicious. He is not like the white cut chicken in Shanghai. Very tender. His meat is a little chewy. It tastes very textured. Very sweet, wow fat. After the original flavor is stimulated, be sure to dip it in the fat and dip it in the sauce. Yes! Sweet acid. If you eat this chicken breast alone, still a little bit more firewood. For me, this sauce can be dipped or not. The original is already great. Have a chicken leg. Have a rice. Have some minced ginger and garlic. The chicken skin you ate. What chicken smells like chicken? This is chicken. It tastes like chicken. Bite the last to pieces. Have chicken soup. Wow, soft. Hey, okay, thanks for smelling it. It tastes pretty good, haha. The eggs are over. Hahaha, green pepper chicken awful. Oh my god, this looks like a very hot dish. Are you angry? Chicken heart, chicken gizzard, chicken belly, chicken intestines, and chicken liver are all available. Wow, soft and smooth. Wow, chick is so special crispy. Thick chicken heart. Gentleman still takes you with a trace of tenacity. With a mouthful of rice. Just perfect. To be honest, it's the first time I've eaten his stir-fried vegetables. It's kind of old-fashioned. Okay, thank you. A pot full of hot vegetables. There are mung bean sprouts and sweet potato leaves. Yes, you can. Yes. Delicious. I'm such a person who doesn't like vegetarian food. At least acceptable. Pig tongue, green pepper head nurse. This pork tongue is a little chewy. Wow, this table is really chewy. There's a lot of chili, but it's not spicy at all. And brittle bones. Big chunk, wow. Very stylish. Hey, Pippy Shrimp, buy this one outside for at least 100 yes, more. So big. Oops, thank you so much. This pot of Pippy Shrimp is 92 yuan. Look how big this one is. Did you eat in New China some time ago? Not much bigger than this. A piece of more than 1,000 yuan. Now look at the price, performance ratio. Sauerkraut sausage. Take a bite of sauerkraut first. Oops, the coat is off. It's too hot. One more bite. This sauerkraut doesn't come out at all. A bite of this powder sausage looks more exciting. Yes. Hold this oversized Pippy Shrimp. Satisfied. Wow, really huge one. It's very easy to shell. Wow. So cool. Light salt and pepper flavor. It's very easy to peel. It's cool. Fried, very crunchy. Ouch. Yes. Wow. Last chicken feet. Stir this chicken rice in. Perfect taste. What do you mean? Actually, what about this Sanya Street? An ordinary neighborhood store. Personal feeling? The taste of chicken and fried bones. At least it suits my taste. Take all the last bite. Clean. He has powder sausage now. I'm going to get the bag, fellow, buy it and place an order. Can I get a drink? You. Come up and cut it, okay? Thank you for being here. Ouch, thank you. Okay, let's go, okay? Okay, thank you.